Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's question is, do you know what Nysten's law is? If not, then stay here and watch this video. So let's get started. Basically, it is a small law that is related to rigor mortis. Alright. So basically what this law talks about is that it describes the sequential onset of the rigor mortis in various muscle groups. So basically this law is going to tell us how the rigor mortis is going to develop in different parts of the human body. What is the sequence of this occurrence? This law was given in the year 1811. The basic sequence of the solidifying body begins from the head down to the body in the following order. So you know what happens in rigor mortis, right? The stiffening of the body occurs. The body starts to become hard. So this solidifying occurs in a certain manner. And this law states that what happens is it starts from the upper portion of the body and then it goes downwards. So first the rigor mortis comes in the involuntary muscles, and that too the muscles of heart, that is the cardiac muscles. So these are the first muscles that undergo rigor mortis. Then the rigor mortis comes in the upper eyelids, then in the neck, then in the jaw, then in the entire face. Then it comes to the upper extremities, which is going to include the arms and the palm of the person. Then the rigor mortis reaches the muscles of the trunk. The trunk area starts to become stiff, and at the end the rigor mortis reaches the lower extremities, that is the legs and the feet. So basically Nysten's law is telling us a sequence for the onset of rigor mortis in the dead body, and this is the sequence, and this was the year when this law was developed. So this was all about this video. I hope you found this short video useful. If yes, then please like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.